What you're looking at is the Stratasy F170 3D printer, and my monitor here indicator tells me I'm low on material here at 2%, and some of my projects here, it needs more than 2% of model material. So I'm going to reload my department area here with the material I need. See, you can look down there and see that it's quite empty here. So there, give a perspective of this unit. This is the unit here, and full it open right here. 1 and 2. Number 1 is my model. Oops. Number 2 is my support. So the support looks pretty good. So I'm going to unload my model here by going back up here to my monitor area here. I'm going to click here. Tools here. What tools I? Oh, I'm going to click here where it says model, and I'm going to go to maintenance here. Over here it says unload head, model details. Let me go back. Let me go back here where it says model here. Back here. Click on that one. Yeah, click on the actual canister, and then you hit unload here. Unload model, because I need to remove it. I'm going to turn this back here and unload it. I have to pull it out here. I'm just unloading it here. Okay, there it all came out here. So I'm just going to pull this canister out here. There. Lay it over there. I'll put my new one in here. Doing this by hand here. I need a third hand. I'm going to keep that one shut. Open this thing out all the way. There. All right. So now I'm going to. You can see up here that the material has been removed. Now I need to load the model. Okay. Once you put the spool in there, it indicates that you wanted to load the model automatically. Insufficient filament there. So I'm just going to put the model in here. See, it grabs it by itself. You see, now it's automatically loading by itself. So, there you go. You see it goes from 0 to 4 real quick. 100, what it says, 100%. Yep, it says 100%. Okay, and just hit load, and there you have it. There you go. You see it's automatically loading the filament for my next project. Okay, I'm ready to start. Close this. Now I can go back to my projects here. And I need to print this item right here. It says insufficient material just now. Well, Shouldn't say that now because I just filled it up. That print indicator should highlight in a second, let you know that the model has moved up into, there you go. It's ready to go, and after it warms up, it'll print. So I'm going to hit print here, and it shows the item that is going to be printed. And you just hit print, and it's getting ready. Tell you how much it's heating, and it's going to take 4 hours and 59 minutes. Wow. So I'll come back in 4 hours and I should have my item printed. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.